Hello, my name is Yuri and you are watching fourth video about proper Kanban implementation. In this part, we will be speaking about aging limits and identification of stuck tasks. Enjoy the watching.
Okay, what's the next challenge? The next challenge is managing the flow. So it's not easy to manage the flow if we don't have the right support. One of the most important factors to follow is tracking the WIP age, work in progress age, so for how long the tasks are in progress. But this actually constitutes two different things. We can track the WIP age inside the column, so for how many days the ticket stays in the column, and in the whole workflow since the moment of commitment or sprint planning. Again, it is good to have it visually available for everyone. Here's the example. We have a ticket which is waiting for production release for 56 days. Well, I hope that your tickets are not waiting so long to be delivered, but on the other hand, it's super hard to find sometimes such information on our boards. If you say this feature is actually available in Jira in form of the dots, I would like to show you something else. How about we also track the whole life cycle of the ticket since the beginning of its commitment or its development. So we can say that, well, this ticket exceeds the limit that we set for our board. And this is important because sometimes the ticket is only a few tickets in the column, but the total time that it's spent in all the previous columns can be really worrying.
Thank you for watching, and in the fifth, last part, we will be speaking about dependency management in Kanban. Stay tuned.